Look at, oh my god, I cannot. Girl, who is she? Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do a flower choker. So as you guys know already, I'm obsessed with flower chokers. On my casual spring outfits, I was styling my 2 flower chokers that I got from Zara, like with pretty much every single outfit. I already have 2 flower chokers, but they are not exactly, like, I need more. Like, I use them so much that I really want more. So when I wanted to do this project, I definitely started just looking, okay, how do people do flower chokers? I've been seeing a lot of people DIY these chokers, just getting some flowers from Amazon and then just adding like a ribbon. But I mean, no disrespect if you have one of those chokers, but in my opinion, I think that those look cheap as F. When you go on Pinterest and you just literally search for flower choker, the ones that are probably the most popular at the minute, or the ones that I think look the best, are the ones that are made with just fabric. And I've seen like a lot of people that just cut little pieces and then they sew it together, but that's a lot of work. I want something easy to do. When I look at these flower chokers that are just made all by fabric, they look kind of simple to do. They look kind of easy. So I mean, I've already done the chokers and I cracked the code. I think that I came out with the best, easiest DIY to do a flower choker. So without further ado, let's get onto it. All right, I've got the fabrics. So now that we have the fabrics, we can start. So I got satin fabrics. I got 4 different colors. So I got white, black, and then I got this beautiful blue, this hot pink, because I love pink, and then I got this one. Then for this one I got just 1 meter. I got more fabric for this one because I literally fell in love with this fabric, and I thought that maybe I could do maybe like a skirt or a sarong. So I got this, and it's 1 meter long for 30 centimeters. Maybe it's a little too much now that I see it. And then I got some ribbon. So I got white ribbon, that this is actually elastic. Then I got the same elastic in black, and I got 1.5 meters of this ribbons. And then I got this pink one. And then for the blue, I actually want to do like a thicker choker with this same fabric. So I'm going to use the fabric to do like the choker, and I'm going to do the same with this one. So I think that I'm going to do the black on my own, and I'm going to test if what I have in mind works, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I just finished the first one. As is black, you cannot really see it too much, but it looks so good. It took me like an hour, but it was because I was just really figuring out how to do it, how much fabric I needed. But now that I have figured it out, I think that I can do this in maybe half an hour. I'm gonna show you how I did it. So first of all, the fabric that I got is way too big. I do not need this much fabric. So you are gonna get a piece of fabric that is 1 meter for 10 centimeters. So here's 1 centimeter for 10 centimeters. And here's all this excess fabric. I can do 3 chokers. So maybe I'll do more, and maybe I'll sell them on my Vinted. You can let me know if you'd be interested in that. I don't know. So then you're gonna grab your piece of fabric, and we are gonna fold it with the good side of the fabric on the outside. So you wanna see the shine. And then I'm gonna do a straight stitch all the way down. And I'm gonna do a straight stitch just the longer I can. And yes, I'm using white thread because you're actually not gonna see it, so it doesn't really matter. And this is very important. You don't need to go backwards, just go straight, and that's it. Okay, and now that we have all this straight stitch, we are gonna gather it. So you're gonna take one of the ends of the stitching, and you are just gonna start pulling. Be careful not to break the thread. The longer your stitch is, the easier this is gonna be. Once that it's gathered, as you can see, all of it's gathered. This took me like 10 minutes. Not a lot, but just a little. So now I'm gonna start hand sewing it. So you should notice that it always goes in one direction. Like it tends to go like this, not like that. So for the first stitch, I wanna cover this. So I'm gonna bring this down, I'm gonna fold it, and then I'm gonna start sewing right there. And then I'm just gonna start rolling it in. And just like that, it is finished. I'm actually gonna leave this attached, and I'm gonna get the ribbon and I'm gonna hand stitch it all the way across. And that's it. Now I'm gonna do my end stitch and we will be done. So they are freaking done. I actually spent yesterday night like doing the chokers. I mean, once you know how to do it, it's kind of easy. I would say that I did like all these chokers in probably half an hour. It also depends on the fabric. The print fabric was a little different, and I'm gonna like show you now the flowers. They are all the same measurements, but they are slightly different, and that just depends on your fabric. Also, I used satin, but you can use whatever fabric you want. I use satin because I really like the shine and like the different shades of the color that like this fabric produces. I feel like it looks really pretty, and I'm 100% sure that this is the way that those chokers that I showed you at the beginning of the video are made. Like 100% they are made with this method. Like there's no way there's any other method easier than this and that makes the flower look this good. So this one, as you can see, is the pink one, and it looks like this. It is actually so beautiful, and now I'm thinking that maybe I need like ones that are smaller. Like I really wanted a big flower choker, and I feel like now I'm maybe gonna do like a couple more but with a smaller rose. But yeah, this is the pink one. It's just so gorgeous. I freaking love it. And also you can do like 2 loops with your ribbon depending on how long you decide to go with it, like something like this. This looks also so cute. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I'm so obsessed. Then for the blue, I decided to do like a thicker ribbon. So I grabbed the fabric and I just did this really simple strap. For this, I've been doing just like a little bow right here. And that's what I actually wanted for this one. Look at, oh my god, like I cannot. I'm sorry, but it's so freaking gorgeous. Like, no, excuse me, I'm sorry, I'm not okay. I'm not okay. Then this is the white one. I love it. Like, I'm so sorry, like I cannot stop. So the ribbon on this one is actually shorter, and I feel like it's all right. I actually needed ribbon for this one because at first I wanted to do like a fabric, like thicker choker as the blue one, but then I thought that maybe it wasn't gonna look too good, so I decided to just grab just a little piece from this one. I'm gonna show you now how this one looks on, but yeah, this is the white one. The ribbon is shorter, but I feel like it still looks really nice. I really like how it looks like this. Also, you can just pull this to the back and just have it like this. Well, I mean, you need to like do a little knot on the back for it to stay in place. But yeah, you can just do just like that, or maybe just bring it to the front. They are so cute. I love this white one as well. It's so elegant. Freaking obsessed. Like, it looks so good. It's kind of disrespectful, you know? The black is like the more simple one, and also this was the first one. Oh my gosh, like as soon as I put them on, I'm like, girl, who is she? Oh my, it looks so good. Look at, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Like, how am I so obsessed with these chokers? I don't know, but I am. I also love the fact that I can do this with this one. I feel like this is gonna look so cute. Yes, pretty. And last but not least, I'm gonna show you the print one. So first of all, this one looks quite different than one of these ones, and it is because this fabric is just like a little bit different. Even though it's just like the same piece of fabric, it was like the same measurements, but I still love it. I love how this looks more irregular and it doesn't look that perfect as this one. I feel like it looks like, I don't know, different, so cute. And also it's just smaller, even though, as I said, the fabric was the same measurements. So the reason why I added this is because I thought that as it already has like some color and it already like has so much character, I thought that for this one, the best idea was just to wear it like this. So not have any ribbon like at the front. And I mean, it's just so pretty. Okay, you guys, so that was it. Let me know which one is your favorite. Actually, I hope that this was helpful. I hope that I help you to just do your rose chokers. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Bye.